Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your legal writing skills with Westlaw. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your legal writing skills using Westlaw, begin by accessing the Westlaw platform. Log in with your credentials to enter the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and main features available. Locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter a specific legal topic or case name related to your writing assignment. Review the search results carefully to find relevant cases, statutes, or secondary sources. Click on the most pertinent document to open it. Pay attention to the case summary and headnotes for quick insights. Take note of the key legal concepts and terminology used in the document. Utilize the citation tools available to check how cases are cited. Consider accessing the secondary sources section for articles or treatises on your topic. Review these materials for style and structure examples in legal writing. As you gather information, make an outline based on your findings. Draft your document using clear and concise language. Ensure you properly cite all sources according to the required legal citation style. Use Westlaw to verify all citations are accurate and up to date. After drafting, revise your work for clarity, coherence, and legal accuracy. Finally, utilize the brief features on Westlaw for additional formatting guidance. With these steps, you can enhance your legal writing skills effectively using Westlaw. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.